Introducing the Sidekick by Fuse, your MacBook's best friend. The Sidekick's patent-pending design allows you to simply stick, pop, and wind your charger in under 6 seconds. Its reinforced notches allow you to conveniently adjust the length of the cable, whether you're 1 foot or 7 feet from an outlet. Its soft-touch rubber rim is extremely durable, keeping your cable clean and damage-free. Its collapsible design leaves a minimal footprint, still allowing your charger to be plugged in almost anywhere. So no matter where you go, your Sidekick will always be with you, organizing and protecting your laptop's most important tool.
Stewart Golf is proud to introduce the new X9 Follow, the new leader in following. The compact structure unfolds in one simple movement. Once open, insert and connect the lightweight lithium battery and replace the front cover. Switch the machine on and press the on-off button on the new rechargeable Bluetooth handset. When both blue lights stop flashing, the Bluetooth connection has been established. Secure your bag with the anti-rotation bungee cords and you're ready to play. In car parks or paths, you can use the handle to steer the machine. When you are out on the golf course, you can activate the follow feature simply by pressing the green follow button. Then just place the handset on your back pocket or belt and start walking. The X9 Follow has been developed to further enhance your relaxation and enjoyment of golf through true hands-free operation. Once you are in follow mode, you have both hands free to plan your next shot, take a drink, or even eat a snack. When you stop at your ball, the X9 Follow will automatically stop a few paces behind you. Place the handset on the cradle, select your club, and play your shot. When you start walking again, just pick up the handset and place it on your back pocket or belt. The X9 Follow will automatically travel with you, no need to press any more buttons. The X9 Follow will even automatically brake to keep your pace on downhill terrain. Two new antennas mounted on each of the dual rear motors are the key to the patented Follow system. They create two zones, a neutral zone and an active zone. When the handset is inside the neutral zone, the X9 Follow will remain stationary. As it moves into the active zone, the control system automatically varies the speed of each motor to follow your every move. When you stop, the X9 Follow will continue until the handset is back inside the neutral zone, when it will also stop. The effect is that of a digital elastic band between you and the X9 Follow, which stretches and contracts as you walk. The X9 Follow also comes with complete remote control functionality. You can speed it up and slow it down, turn it left or right, and stop using the glide or emergency stop buttons. You can also program the two cruise control speeds to your own walking pace. If you find yourself in the rough, you can leave your machine on the fairway and use the remote to meet it. When you approach the green, take your putter and use the remote to send your machine to the next tee.